Remember, nani siya diri nakita. Ganyan siya. It's the eye there. We're going to get the eye. Ganyan siya. So this would now be the eye. Okay. So with regards to the eye, if you're going to look at this one, this is what you call your lacrimal gland. Lacrimal. So with regards to your lacrimal gland, it is found superolateral, superior and lateral portion of the eye. Superior and lateral. So if ever superior and lateral siya, so kibaw na mo sa may extraocular muscle here. So therefore, superior man siya. So kani siyang state would now be your superior rectus. Kanang na inihiwi, you have your superior oblique. Opposite to that, below, you have your inferior rectus, kana straight. Kana niliko, you have your inferior oblique. So inferior rectus, inferior oblique. Okay, superolateral again, ang imong lacrimal gland. So lateral, this one here. So you have your lateral rectus. Medially, you have your medial rectus. Well, this one would be your nasolacrimal sac. Nasolacrimal sac. You know?